What is going on, everybody? My name is Baloo and welcome to the jungle. This is the channel where we take a very simple approach to technical analysis. We look at the price in the context of volume using the Wyckoff method. If that is something that interests you, then why don't you hit the subscribe button? I do this every single day, except for the days that I don't. So in today's video, I would like to talk about Bird.Money. It is an interesting project. Seems to be a Oracle competitor to, some of the other Oracle projects like Band and Link and blah, blah, blah. But what they are trying to do is they are trying to algorithmically decide your credit worthiness, which is very interesting. You know, there are a lot of lending platforms that exist. Aave, Compound, there's a bunch of lending protocols out there, but it's all fixed lending rates at fixed amounts. Now, if we could figure out your credit worthiness somehow based upon your ability to pay or your ability to, I don't know what they base it on, to be perfectly honest with you, but if there's a way to algorithmically decide your credit worthiness inside of the crypto sphere, then that is a project that has some serious value, and the tokenomics on it aren't that bad either. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at Bird. So Bird, we are in this, we're on the 1 hour chart. We had a nice markup event close after launch. We did get our buyer's climax. Automatic reaction, sorry, I can't draw on this one, but buyer's climax right here, automatic reaction here. We did get an up thrust. There was a ton of selling pressure, huge selling pressure come in, and that did result in a minor sign of weakness. The sign of weakness did get bought up, and we didn't close a candle outside of the range. There's a little bit of a close here, but that might just be incorrect data. So the strength is there. There's buyers there, and we are respecting this range. We did get another up thrust that did result in a downside move, but the price spread is decreasing on decreasing volume. This is looking really good. So what I'm looking for inside of Bird is I do need a commitment to the upside, probably a sign of strength, and then a backup. We'll get a backup on the trading range here. I really wish that I could draw. Sometimes I can, sometimes I can't on this thing. Let me see if it works. Okay, yeah. So you get a sign of strength, and then a backup. If we can get a sign of strength and a backup, you can make a lot of money on Bird. Now, that is not financial advice. Don't ever get financial advice from a cartoon bear, but I could see this coin reaching some pretty significant levels, even if it gets, 5% of the market share of what Link has. Link is a $4 billion product that doesn't actually solve cross-chain communication yet. So a lot of speculation inside of the space. And if, they can figure out how to decide credit worthiness, that is a huge use case that is going to be needed in the world of decentralized finance. Very interesting project. It's a tall order. It's a large claim. It's a very bold claim. How much of the demand is coming from speculation? I would say a fair amount. We're just going to have to see how this one progresses. But as far as the technicals on what I'm seeing inside of the charts, it's looking good. It's looking good. We don't have a lot of selling coming in. If we do experience any sort of sign of weakness, maybe we get an up thrust on the sign of strength, and then that results in a sign of weakness down here. So if we get something like that, a big increasing spread in the consolidation of the entire trading range, then we can talk about a little bit of a bearish scenario. Anything bearish is just going to result in downside, and me personally, I'm actually kind of bullish on the tokenomics of this project. There's only 140,000 tokens that is a capped max supply, so its ability to appreciate in value is actually relatively easy. It doesn't take that much market cap to get a good price on this. So for that reason, I'm definitely looking to accumulate. It is in a no trade scenario, no trade zone for me right now, but if we do get that backup, I'll be looking to add to my position in Bird. That is all the time I have for today. If you enjoyed the content, please leave it a like. Don't forget to subscribe. And if there are any projects that you would like me to take a look at, leave them in the comment section down below. And until next time, please trade safe. It is a jungle out there. Peace.